Today's upload is featuring remarkable footage from an incident that took place in March of last year. This dramatic event unfolded inside a local library and has been captured from multiple angles through the body-worn cameras of several responding officers, providing a first-hand look at the tense and unpredictable situation that unfolded. We begin with officers arriving at the scene, responding to urgent calls about a sovereign citizen couple causing a major disturbance. As they enter the library, they are met by concerned staff and alarmed bystanders, all pointing towards a man and a woman at the center of the chaos. According to witnesses, the couple attempted to lock the doors of the library, an action that quickly escalated into a severe public meltdown when confronted by staff and security.
Interesting. It's the gentleman in the green coat, along with the lady in the brown coat.
You just want them going?
Yes.
You just want them out?
Yes.
How's it going, guys? You alright?
Yes.
How
This
you
is me,
doing?
Aladdin Malak Moorish American National, the Moorish National Republic Federal Government. We're protected under treaties and Constitution, and my whole thing is that we're here.
Okay.
You guys leave.
All right. Well, I'm letting you know. That I'm Empress Luna Latoya Bay. I'm with the Moorish National Republic Federal Government and Moorish American Consulate.
Okay.
I'm a Moorish Consul General, and I'm protected under treaties and Constitution. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And right
but-
now we are communicating with our consulate, and they're already on notice.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
You still have to leave.
Okay.
These two sovereign citizen knuckleheads appear to be of the Moorish variety. This brand of pseudo-science nonsense emphasizes a historical and cultural identity linked to the Moors of North Africa. While some Moorish nationals adopt beliefs similar to those of sovereign citizens, such as rejecting US government authority and using alternative identification documents, their claims are often rooted in a distinct narrative of false racial and cultural heritage. They assert that African Americans are descendants of the Moors and thus hold a sovereign status that exempts them from typical legal obligations. Despite their different origins and cultural contexts, both sovereign citizens and Moorish nationals share a common thread in their use of pseudo-legal arguments to assert autonomy. Both groups produce and use their own forms of identification and legal documents, which are not recognized by official authorities or anyone with two functioning brain cells.
Principles under consular jurisdiction. I'm Aladdin Malak Bay, ex-relation to Navon Gilroy, the corporate name, and then you have Luna Latoya Bay, all right? Ex-relation Lydia Smith, but we're in honor, okay? And we need to see 3 forms of identification. I need to know who you are. Okay.
Listen.
Listen, we need to.
So listen.
We're commanding to see a sheriff.
So listen. The sheriff we don't need to get the sheriff, okay? So you guys need to leave, okay? Because
What's
you guys.
going on?
Because listen to me.
I'm waiting on our consulate. We're waiting on our
The
consulate.
building, or are you going to
Are
go to
you
jail for
forcing me
trespassing?
against my will under threat, duress, and coercion?
No, I'm
Are
telling
you
you have to
forcing me
leave
against my
because this
will?
is their property, and they're
I'm
telling
letting
you
you
are
know.
going to leave the
Do
property.
you deal with
okay?
any treaties or constitutions?
Okay, listen to me.
What is your nationality? I'm letting
You
you
are
know we're
going
already
to leave
in
the
going
building,
communication with
or
the
you are going to go to
Archbishop.
jail for trespassing.
It would
It's up
only
to
be
you.
kidnapping. I don't accept
It's
your offer
not,
to contract.
It's not kidnapping.
I'm commanding
it's
you
an
as the
arrest.
direct lawful heir.
I am commanding you as a police officer of Dayton that
to
you
show
are
me
in
3
Dayton
forms of
to leave the
identification.
building or go to jail. It's up to you.
It's only I don't accept your offer to contract. Do
Okay.
you overstand?
So you can leave the building for 30 days, you can go to jail.
Okay. I'm letting you know I don't accept your offer to contract.
And I'm letting you know that you have to leave the building for 30
Do
days
you
to go
have
to
an
jail.
Article 3 federal court? Do you have an?
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
letting you know. If
You
you
can
don't
leave
have
and
a
go to jail.
if you
It's
don't
up to
have,
They have to be here. That's our international protection. I've already been communicating with them for the last 2 days.
Okay.
Our whole thing is to get grounded on jurisdiction and status. However,
So listen, okay, you have to leave this building, okay, because the staff doesn't want you here anymore, and you can't come back for 30 days, okay? And if you don't want to leave, then you guys can go to jail. Okay.
I don't want to get kidnapped right now, okay?
Well, you're not going to get kidnapped.
Yes, because
I'm telling you that you guys can't be here.
But it's like you can't even be in my land either. But I'm not doing that. If you're an honor, you be here. Now it's the beneficiary of the state. Hold on. We're making lawful commands as the beneficiary and heirs.
Right, but they can let you know that they don't want you to be here, so you can't be here. So you guys either need to leave or you can go to jail. You're not allowed to come back for 30 days. What's your name?
I don't have a name. I have a title.
Yes or no? Do you want to leave?
I'm grabbing my documents and I'm letting you know, okay?
Get your documents and let's go.
I need to see some identification.
Badge right here, name right there. Grab your documents. Let's go.
So I'm letting you know you're denying us due process of law.
Is that your folder too?
Who gave you the permission
Is
to
that your
transact
folder
business
too?
within our borders? Are you guys?
Is that your
Are
folder?
you guys attempting to kidnap the national?
Look, you're gonna leave. You're gonna go to jail for trespassing.
We can only be kidnapped. We're commanded to speak with a sheriff.
Out
Our
of the
consul
building.
is already here. We're waiting on our consul.
We're commanded to speak.
You have to
with a
leave the
sheriff
building,
who's
or you're
doing-
gonna go to jail for trespassing. It's up to you.
Okay, you guys need to walk
We're
out of the
commanded
building.
to speak with Robert Shrek.
And I am commanding you to leave the building.
Okay. Is your recorder
Okay.
on?
Absolutely.
For the record, on the record. All right.
Absolutely.
I need to see 3 forms.
No,
of
you do not. You need to
identification
grab your
from you as
stuff and
well,
leave, or
too.
you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
Do you have a delegation of authority order signed by an Article 3
Okay,
federal
grab your
court?
stuff and leave, or you're going to handcuffs right now.
I'm letting you know our consulate's
Okay,
on the
put
way.
your stuff on the table.
I'm not accepting your offer
Put
to
your purse on the
contact.
table.
This is my.
Okay,
this
put
is
your
my-
stuff
I'm
and your
letting
purse
you
on
know.
the table.
We're walking out
You're,
the door, and
you're
we're all
forcing
going in
me
handcuffs.
against my will. I'm under threat, duress, and coercion.
Put your stuff on the table, or you're getting put in handcuffs. Okay, get your stuff
I'm
and leave, or
commanded
you're
to
going
speak with
to
Rob
jail.
Shrek. Michael Robert Shrek.
Supervisor.
Okay, or a supervisor.
Okay, then let's go outside,
Okay.
because you're not allowed in this
So
building
with all
anymore.
due
And I'll call my
respect-
supervisor out here, he'll meet us outside.
And you guys as
Okay?
subjects and trustees within our borders, this is a
So,
lawful command.
Here, take your stuff.
Okay?
Let's
You
Grab
can
your
only
folder.
force us against our will.
Grab
We
your
don't
folder.
accept your
Let's
offer
go.
to contract.
Yours too. Here, let's
I'm
go.
letting you
Let's
know.
go.
Okay?
Come on, let's go.
Don't
This way.
touch me. Keep your hands to
You're gonna get
yourself.
put in handcuffs.
I'm letting you know you're forcing
Okay?
me against my
That's
will.
it. That's fine.
You
Let's
guys,
go.
I need you guys to be in honor. You hear me?
We are. Let's go.
Okay? I
go.
need you to show me respect like you show your mother. You hear
Well,
me?
you're not showing us respect, so let's go.
Okay? I'm the direct lawful heir.
I don't
Okay?
care. Let's
And
go.
you're my Moroccan subject and
Right now,
trustee
you're
within
gonna
my
go
borders.
Let's go.
Okay? And I don't accept your
go.
offer.
Let's go.
And you're going to be fined for
Let's
that.
go.
You're going to be fined for that.
Let's go.
I'm
See me
letting
in
you
court.
know.
Go.
Our consulate
Keep your hands to
continue-
yourself, brother.
Keep your hands to
How about
yourself.
walk- Let's go.
I bet you would love to touch the ancient Egyptian gods,
door.
wouldn't you?
Let's go.
Okay?
Out the
we're
door.
letting
Let's go.
you know
All right.
We're communicating with our consulate and they're already on notice.
Sounds good.
Okay, anything you do, you're forcing us against our. You're forcing us
Which door do you
against
wanna
our.
go out?
Don't
Which door do
touch
you wanna
me.
go out? That one.
Keep your hands to yourself.
You're gonna make this difficult. Okay.
Okay,
Pick a
listen.
door.
Let's
You
just
walk out.
communicate.
If you want
you hear me?
this to go smoothly,
It's already going smoothly because
Walk out the
we're in our
door.
sovereign capacity.
All right. Out that door.
let's go.
Go.
Okay?
Let's go. Come on.
I'm
Let's
letting
go.
keep your hands to yourself.
Listen, you're not cooperating. Let's go.
Okay, keep your
Let's-
hands to yourself, not a lawful command. Okay, keep
on.
your hands to
Let's
yourself. And you're kidnapping me, and
Let's go.
and I'm under threat, duress, and
Let's go.
coercion.
You're coming.
You're coming too.
Okay.
All right.
You're
Let's
gonna
go.
get put in
Keep your
handcuffs.
hands
Get out the door right now.
Let's go.
to yourself.
Now.
Okay, we have not violated any treaties or constitution.
Let's go.
Okay.
Come on. Let's go.
All right, we're
go.
letting you know.
That's fine. That's fine. Let
Okay.
me know all you want. Let's go.
All right, so you guys want to get deported.
That's fine.
Okay.
Let's go.
We need
No.
Okay.
Let's go.
We're already I'm keeping it. It's a setup. I know it's a setup.
Let's go.
Okay.
Out the door
Are
now.
you attempting to assassinate the
Let's go.
nationals? Keep your hands to yourself.
Listen.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Listen.
Everybody, get your cameras out.
Let's go.
Everybody
Okay.
get your cameras out.
Let's go.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Let's go.
And that's a lawful
Come on,
command.
both of you
hear me?
out this door right now.
Okay,
Let's
we
go.
don't accept your offer to contract.
I don't care what you
and
accept.
we're
Let's
already
go.
ongoing.
And our
Okay.
consulate is
Then
already
call them
aware.
all. Okay.
We
Let's
are
go.
in ongoing communication with our bishop and the
Let's go.
provost marshal.
Let's go.
Okay?
Come on, let's
You're
go, guys.
forcing us against our will.
Yes, I am.
We
Let's
don't
go.
accept your offer to contract. Keep your hands to yourself.
Can I see these?
Okay, no, you cannot. Okay, I need
handcuffs
you
on.
to be in honor.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay? I need you to be in honor. You're good.
I got him here. I'll throw it.
I'm
Yeah.
already in honor.
You got cuffs.
I'm already seeing you. You hear me? You're going to be okay. All right?
You got him.
You hear me? Under international law, do you deal with any treaties or constitutions? Do you? Do you deal with any treaties? What's your nationality? And don't damage my stuff. Okay? Okay, I'm letting you know.
Give me your hands.
I'm letting you know that I'm under.
fighting me.
I'm not fighting nobody.
Keep your hands behind your
Okay.
back. Understand?
Now, right now, we're letting you know that we're under threat, duress, and coercion. We're demanding to speak. This is a setup. Everybody get your phones out. They're attempting to assassinate the nationals.
We got cameras right
Okay,
here.
we're letting you
making a
know.
great movie.
Okay, this is coming from an article. This is coming from an Article 3 federal court. Okay. You like being in our borders, don't you?
Come on,
so
walk.
I need to do my
Walk.
first.
Let's go. We will come back for all your stuff.
Okay, no, I'm commanding to have my things
Okay,
now.
listen.
Okay.
You're gonna walk
I'm commanding to have
out
my
the building.
things now. And you can loosen up on the national. Come on.
Walk then.
Okay,
Because you're not walking.
I can walk.
Okay, then walk.
Okay, and
Okay.
I'm just saying.
That means quit pulling away and walk.
We're commanding to speak with a
Come
sheriff.
on.
Do you hear me?
Come on, step over.
What is this? I'm
Step over.
Listen. Our conflict's already on the way.
Keep walking.
I'm letting you know. Okay?
I'm letting you know that you are disobeying order of a police officer.
Let
Okay?
me see 3 forms of identification.
You can see my badge and my name. Let's
You
go.
have to state the proper jurisdiction. Okay,
No, I
you
didn't. I
can-
told you I was
can be
Officer
jailed
Dayton
from
Police.
Article
Keep
3 federal
walking.
court. Okay? We're already in going communication.
Hey, be an honor, man.
Come on, man. Come on.
Then walk. You are not walking. You are pulling behind. You are not walking, okay? So walk to the car, or I'm going to carry you to the car.
You know, we're not a threat. We're an honor. You hear me? And so do you guys need me. You need to be an honor. Okay? What are you, a Mason, Shriner, PT Mason, Skull and Bones, Nice Temps, Nice to Malta? I command you. What's your nationality? Do you deal with any treaties? Do you deal with any constitution? I command you to be released immediately. Do you hear me?
This clip off.
Do you hear me? I don't give you permission to touch my property.
That's fine. You're under arrest right now.
I'm not under arrest. I don't accept your offer to contract.
That's fine.
Okay, and you're being detained.
That's fine. Yep, I'm being detained.
You're being detained.
Do you have anything in your
And you can
hand?
remove
Or
from
is
my
it just
borders. You
the
hear me? Being tough like that doesn't what?
If you don't get in, yes, I will force you into the car.
Like I said,
Okay,
you're
get in the car.
getting deported. You hear me?
Get your leg in.
Okay? You have, if you're going to be a disloyal
Get your
subject,
leg in.
I don't need any belligerent trustees within my borders. You're a belligerent trustee, and I don't accept your offer to contract.
That's fine.
I
Get
need
your
to
leg
see
in the
3
car
forms of
right now.
identification. Okay, I'm commanding to speak with a consulate and a sheriff immediately.
There's no sheriff coming. Sorry.
I'm letting you know I'm the sheriff within my borders, okay? Do you have a delegation
the
of
car.
authority order signed by an Article 3 federal court? Do you? Because you're already being watched. Deportation.
Who would be like? Yeah, let's go for that one. Hello. Okay, so they're both going to go to jail today. Oh, you can eat your lunch all you want. That's fine. I don't really mind. I'm going to give you a report number.
Okay.
Today is the 31st. 31st. I'll write it all down for you. You can go write nothing down.
Okay.
Yeah. So Monday. Or do you work?
Yes.
Here. Okay. Are you allowed to leave like during work if it's for a work-related incident?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So between 1300 and 1500, you need to go to the prosecutor's office. Prosecutors.
What is that, 1 and 3?
I will let you know if those people do come back after the 30 days, because I know they only wanted 30 days to start.
Yeah, well, and I don't know, you might need to talk to our, like, head of
Is he here?
security. They're downtown.
Okay.
Heather McClure and Luke Lawson.
Do you have
are their
a
names.
phone number for them?
Yeah. Because we will write up incident reports and send it to them.
Okay.
For our records, I don't know, honestly, if they would rather them do this instead of me. on
If
Monday.
they want to show up for it, we've dealt with the library enough.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of the interaction you heard that we had with them, but they're sovereign citizens. They believe that they don't fall under any jurisdiction in the United States. And
Yeah, they kept saying international law.
yeah, well, they're sovereign citizens out of somewhere that's based out of New Jersey. So
Okay.
yeah,
I
they'll
talked
probably
to one
call
of
us the
our-
same incident next time they're here.
Right. Like that was their goal, right? Like, because they were lingering here for a while.
Right.
And I had asked our guard, because I could tell, I was like, something's up with them, like, keep
Oh,
an
yeah.
eye on them. And they were just waiting, I guess, until they were ready to start yelling. So, And I talked to one of our public service directors, and he said that we've had people
Issues.
yell about similar things at other branches. Probably not the same people, but
Maybe, but they've been arrested a few times for kind of the same issue here.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're familiar with who they are.
Well, I didn't know who they are, but I was able to ID them off of just digging through all their property, figuring it out.
Oh,
but
okay, yeah,
they
yeah.
gave us fake names because it's their new names that they.
Oh, right, because they're like reborn or something.
Yeah. And she's my mom, and I need to worship her or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
Just filming.
it just sounded like a bunch of nonsense.
Yeah, I was like, okay. And I mean, I gave them ample times telling them, like, look, you only trespass for 30 days, you gotta leave, you're going to jail, you gotta leave, you're going to jail. And
Yeah, I mean, we
They
tried
ignore
too.
me, so.
We started with just like, keep it down, you know? Like, just like, keep your noise, like if they had just stopped
yeah, been
yelling.
quiet. Yeah.
And then it became, okay, like, go ahead and leave for the rest of the day. You can come back tomorrow. And they still wouldn't do it. And so then it was like, okay, like,
Okay, leave for 30 days.
be banned for 30 days.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to call the police.
Now
Like,
they're going to jail with a felony
like
and
we
2
gave them,
misdemeanors.
yeah, like we
so.
gave them chances to just
Yeah, and then
stop and leave.
we even gave them chances for like 10 minutes. Just leave for 30 days. That's all they're asking you to do. All right. So, all right.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching. Take your seatbelt off. Let's go.
Don't try to act like you got any honor. You're a disgrace.
Cool. Let's
Pathetic.
go.
Cool.
That way.